to my channel. Let me tell you about the new apply button. I am so happy that I am one of the creators that have it. Not all have it because they're still in the testing mode, but right now I do. So hey, happy for me. I would love for you to come and support my channel. It ranged from $2 to $50. And what it's like when I upload a video and you give me a thumbs up and I did a good job, you can also now give a donation. Instead of always have to be present in live to do the super chat, now you can do it while upload. So the problem is a lot of people don't have a laptop or desktop. That's how you see it. But as you have a phone, you can turn that phone into a desktop. What you do is go to your web. I usually use Google, Chrome, whatever your web is. You go up to the top. It should be on your left or right side. It's 3 little dots. Click on those dots. And a menu will come down. Scroll down. You will see it says desk setting. Turn it to desktop setting. And voila, your phone just came into a computer. So now you just go ahead and the search bar, punch up YouTube. Once you get to YouTube, you can go to my page, Shawana Creative Circle. Continue to look at my videos. I would love it. And if I do a great job, put thumb up. And if you like, please hit that heart. That heart will donate to my channel. And it will help me to bring more contents to you. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so here you will see the heart, thumbs up, thumbs down, and then the heart. Share me out if you can. But this is what we're coming to see today, the applause button. You have a heart with a $sign. You click it. And once you click it, the image will come up. $2, $5, $10, or $50. And it will give you that hooray once you have put in your information. It's a safe site to go to. So don't worry. Nobody can't see it. Only you and YouTube. And that way you have donated to my channel. And I will appreciate it so much. I really would. And I am so happy that you are here. I hope you give me a thumbs up on this video. Please share it out. And I love you and I care for you all. Please stay safe and keep on coming back. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Notification is on. I love to do all. That's why it's called Creative Circle. Talk to you later. Bye.